Hello class, I hope you all are well. Okay, today I am going to tell you about your next topic, that is this, the different types of mobile app. The different types of mobile app. In previous class I have told you about the category of mobile app like desktop app, web app and mobile app. But in this video we will discuss about uh, different categories or different types of mobile apps. Okay, here you can see the different types of mobile app like lifestyle app. What is this lifestyle app? Lifestyle app is like those app that those we can use in our daily life. Okay, like you can see the example, like if you need some food and you just go to the Zomato app or Swiggy app and you just call or order your food, and your food will be delivered at your home at you know this app. I think this Swiggy or Zomato or Winky, you can see here the example, all these kind of apps are called lifestyle app. Okay, and the next one is social media app. This is very popular app. This is social media app, and using this social media app you can send your message, you can send your express yourself uh, in public, like the Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. Okay, all these kind of apps are called social media app. Okay, the name suggests you know very well about this app. You I think you, many of you are using these kind of app. Okay, the next one is utility app. What is this utility app? The utility app is like those app those are used in for utility purpose only. The utility purpose means like suppose you are going to take a picture and picture is not uh, um clicked by the picture is not clear, that the picture that you are taking, that is not clear in dark. Okay, so what will you do? You will just switch your flashlight on. Okay, you know, just if you will just switch on your flashlight. This flashlight uh, is switched on by an app. That app is called utility app. Okay, many utility app are used in the mobile, like if you want to know about the weather, you want to know what is the date, then you will use calendar, that is the utility app. If you want to know the time, there is the system generated time in the mobile, that is the utility, that will be generated by the utility app. Okay, many information that is that you gain from the mobile is generated by the utility app. Okay, and the next one is gaming app. This is the very famous app that are used by the most of you. Okay, I know you all are using the gaming app, like the very famous app, the firefight, and the very famous app that was banned recently. uh, what was that, you know? Okay, I'm not going to tell you that name. Okay, here you can see that uh, Angry Bird, the very famous gaming app, Surface, Subway Surface, Candy Crush, and many more are the gaming app. You know about this app very well. That's why I'm not going to tell you very much about this. Gaming app means the app that is used for gaming. Okay. Okay. The next one is productivity app. Okay. Productivity app means those are used for special purpose, like those are used for money transaction, like wallet, online mobile wallet. Like you can see here the example, like uh, phone pay app or Veeam app, or here the one more app is like the Amazon Pay, and many banking site are also giving the app like this app. The Paytm app is very famous app in this group. uh, Here these kind of apps are used for a special purpose. Okay, that's why uh, this is called productivity app. Okay, the next one, I'm coming to the next app, the news and or information app. The news or information app means those apps, those are used for news or getting the information from that app. uh, in this group, the apps like G News app and ABP, the news channel, the many news channel are providing the news app. And here you can see the some news app like Google News app, or you can see here the Smart News and Flipboard and many more. Overall, we can see that the app that provides the news, that is called news app or news and information app. Okay, here the basically we can see the 6 categories. I'm repeating again: the lifestyle app like Zomato, Swiggy or Ghana; social media app, the Twitter, Instagram or Facebook; a utility app, the flashlight, calculator, calendar, etc; gaming like Angry Bird, Subway Surfer and Candy Crush, etc; productivity app means Paytm, Phone Pay, etc; and news and information app like G News, ABP News, India News, Smart News, etc. Okay, all these are the different kind of mobile apps. Okay, just see the topic and just read about this topic and make a notes using this uh, categories. Okay, I will also provide the notes. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call me. Thank you.